Ricardo's by Cocina Higala started here in Manolo Fortich with a simple and meaningful vision to showcase Bukidnon and the richness of Mindanao to the Philippines and eventually to the world. From the beginning, we believe in supporting local by using locally sourced ingredients for the food we serve and working closely with farmers and local businesses. We are creating opportunities by hiring members of our community. Every dish we serve is not just flavor but purpose. Today, our journey continues. Dili lang kini siya bahin sa pagsuporta sa lokal na ekonomiya, kundi sa pagpasidungog, pagsaulog sa kultura sa Bukidnon. Pinaagi sa pagkaon, sa mga tao, o sa mga storya, among gipakita kung kinsa mi og asa migikan. This is Ricardo's by Cocina Higala, rooted in community, driven by culture, and proud to call Bukidnon, especially Manolo Fortich, as our home.
Kaamulan, kaamulan, kaamulan.
Buhay! Welcome home to Ricardo's.
Kaamulan, kaamulan, kaamulan. Magtipot ang tanan.
Come and visit Ricardo's by Cocina Higala and celebrate with us Kaamulan. Kaamulan, magtipok tang tanan.